Hello guys, this is Sujan here. Welcome to my YouTube channel NextCode. In previous tutorial we show how to create a navigation drawer in Android Studio. In this tutorial we talk about how to create fragments in Android Studio. Let's start. At first we have to start Android Studio. We take previous project. At first go to the layout folder and right click on layout folder, click new and layout resource file. We take file name as fragment underscore item 1. Okay, we take 4 page for item 1, item 2 and item 3. We simply copy fragment item 1.xml file and paste on layout folder. Then we rename that as item 2, item 3 and item 4. After creating that page, we have to create Java file for that XML page. Click on com.xml.nextcode, right click on that resource directory and click on new, create Java class, name as item1 underscore fragment, and we take here super class name fragment. After creating item 1 fragment page, that we have copied that one and paste on same directory, name as item 2 underscore fragment, item 3 underscore fragment and item 4 underscore fragment. And next we go to the activity main XML page. For take FrameLayout to hold that fragment pages. We take here FrameLayout wide and height like match parent, and we take ID for FrameLayout ID fragment underscore container. After we go to the item 1 fragment Java page, then we create a method. On create view method, after creating that method, we edit something. We use view equal inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot fragment item 1, that XML file. Container false. And here we take return view. After same thing we use on item 2 fragment, item 3 fragment and item 4 fragment page. Then we go to the main activity page and go to the switch case item 1 we used get support fragment manager dot bring transaction dot replace part dot id dot fragment container. New item 1 fragment dot commit. We copy that thing and paste on case.r.id.item 2 part, item 3 part and item 4 part. After we rename item 1 as a item 4, item 3 and item 2 fragment. Then we use drawer dot close drawer gravity compact dot start. After we go to the fragment 1 page and there we take a text view, we get wide match parent and height match parent and take text item 1 and take text size 50 sp. Take gravity center. After copy that one and paste on item 2, item 3 and item 4 part. We rename item 1 as item 2, item 3 and item 4. After we run that module, the Gradle will start. Before that, item 1, item 2, item 3 and item 4 fragments work properly. When we start that project, that time our main part is blank. That's why we used item 1 as our main start. We used item 1 as a start page. That's why if statement we use if save instance state equal null get support fragment manager dot being transaction dot replace r dot id dot fragment container new item 1 fragment dot commit. Navigation view dot set check item r dot id dot item 1 and run that file. Our project is launched and we see that our item 1 is the main page of our file and item 2, item 3 and item 4 work properly. In this tutorial, we show how to include fragments in Android Studio. Thanks for watching.